Imagine a large bathtub. When you turn on the tap, water flows from the faucet into the tub. A watershed is like that bathtub. It's an area of land where all the water drains to a common point, like a river, lake, or ocean. Think of it as a giant funnel. Rain falling on hills and mountains flows downhill. The water collects in streams and rivers. All this water eventually reaches the lowest point in the landscape. Watersheds come in all shapes and sizes. Some watersheds are small, like a single hillside. Others are enormous, covering thousands of square miles. Watersheds are vital for life on Earth. They provide us with drinking water. They support diverse ecosystems. They are essential for agriculture and industry. Clean and healthy watersheds mean clean water for everyone. We rely on rivers and lakes for drinking water, irrigation, and recreation. Watersheds are home to a wide variety of plants and animals. These ecosystems depend on the health of the watershed. Industries use water from watersheds for manufacturing and production. Protecting watersheds is crucial for economic sustainability. To delineate a watershed on a map, we need to identify its boundaries. These boundaries are formed by ridges and high points in the landscape. Gather the following materials: a topographic map of the area, a pencil, and an eraser. Topographic maps show the elevation of the land using contour lines. Contour lines connect points of equal elevation. Look for the highest points on the map. These are represented by closed contour lines with the highest elevation values. Ridges are elongated areas of high ground connecting these high points. Now let's trace the watershed boundary. Start at a high point or ridge. Imagine a raindrop falling on this point. Trace the path of the raindrop as it flows downhill. Follow the contour lines, always moving in a direction perpendicular to them. As you trace, you'll be outlining the watershed boundary. All the land within this boundary drains to the same point. Double-check your work. Ensure that all the water within the boundary flows towards the designated outlet point. Understanding and delineating watersheds is crucial for managing our water resources. By protecting these vital ecosystems, we ensure a sustainable future for generations to come.